Millions of people drink turmeric every day for inflammation, immunity, and overall health. But what if I told you that most people are using turmeric the wrong way, and because of that, they get almost zero benefits from it today? I'm going to show you the turmeric trick that actually works. Plus 3 powerful turmeric secrets most people have never heard of. Before we begin, subscribe to Rooted Healing TV if you want to learn the safe and correct way to use natural herbs. Turmeric is one of the most powerful herbs in traditional medicine. Its active compound, curcumin, is known for supporting the body in many ways, but here's the problem: your body absorbs curcumin very poorly. So when many people drink turmeric tea, they think they are getting the benefits, but most of it passes through the body without being used. This is why many people say turmeric doesn't work. But the truth is, they are simply missing the trick. The real trick is combining turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine. This compound can increase the body's ability to absorb curcumin dramatically. That means a small pinch of black pepper can make turmeric far more effective. Here is a simple way to prepare it: 1 cup warm water, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, a small pinch of black pepper, optional, honey or coconut milk. Drink it once a day. Here is something many people don't know: curcumin is fat-soluble. That means turmeric works even better when consumed with healthy fats. Examples include coconut milk, olive oil, avocado. This is why traditional turmeric drinks like golden milk include milk or coconut milk. If you're finding this helpful, tap the like button. It helps more people discover safe herbal knowledge on Rooted Healing TV. Another mistake people make is drinking turmeric at the wrong time. The best time for many people is morning on an empty stomach, or before bedtime with warm milk. This helps the body absorb the compounds more effectively. Here is something very important: more turmeric is not always better. Taking too much turmeric daily may cause problems for some people. For example, stomach discomfort, gallbladder issues, interaction with certain medications. This is why moderation matters. If you are pregnant, have gallbladder issues, or take blood-thinning medications, speak with a healthcare professional before using turmeric regularly. Responsible herbal use is very important. So remember these 3 important turmeric secrets. 1. Combine turmeric with black pepper. 2. Take it with healthy fats. 3. Use it in moderation. When used correctly, turmeric can become a powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. If you want to learn more hidden herbal secrets and common mistakes people make, subscribe to Rooted Healing TV and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.